Yabona ukhuluma iqiniso ne. UMashaba today bebamngcwaba. Mashaba bebamngcwaba today. Mina kube benguye bengiyosukuma ngibaleke because there's no way at some point to advocate Sesibaloyi umfundele i-charge sheet yakhe. And guys says mina ngithini ne my fellow commissioners. This guy he must not be arrested. We want uPhakula no warrant officer Maganye no Tumelo Nku the Mpimpi le ozibiza ngebrother to uMashaba. We want them at Madlang Commission of Inquiry to testify before we can issue EJ50. And futhi we also want that lady. Niyakhumbula that lady, I think uLizel or something, lo obize amaphoyisa, the crime intelligence, abo Feroz Khan. We want that lady, like sifuni affidavit yakhe, before uMashaba athola EJ50 warrant of arrest. Yazi uSesibaloyi umfundele i-charge sheet wambalela, and futhi this guy at some point yesterday when he was testifying I thought ukuthi uFaith Mazibuko, because lo mama lo ngiyamazi mina, like ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe bekawenza right, implicate kanjani. So and they always like to say ukuthi next time they will do better. Which next time? And futhi nakathi he was misled somehow. Next time uzokwenza ngcono ukuthi next time ukhuluma ngayiphi next time, because simfuna eKhoshi Mampuru. Let me know guys in the comment sections what do you think about the testimony yaka. I don't know, should I say chief or thief Mashaba, because Madlang Commission of Inquiry on Monday they are not sitting, they will sit on the